Yes, students, in previous class, I have explained to you what do you mean by Bayes theorem, what do you mean by Bayes classifier, and we have applied a Navy Bayes classifier on one example also, and I have given you assignment. So in today's video, I am going to give you the solution of that assignment. Now, let us revise once again what do you mean by Bayes theorem. Now, in step 1, you are collecting raw data. In second step, you should find out the frequency table. Then in third step, you have to calculate the likelihood. That is what the prior probability and evidence. And then only you can apply your Bayes theorem. Now, what was the assignment given to you? So these are the values. Now listen, in explained example, I have given you only two columns. That is what the weather and whether I can play or not. So these were only two columns. But here, two more columns I am adding means frequency table will be different. Okay. Now, how you can find out the frequency table? Now, what is your question? Whether you can go for run when it is sunny outside. Means I want to find out the probability of yes option in run for a sunny weather. Now, how it is possible? Now, this is your data set. Now, I am calculating the frequency table for Outlook. Okay. Now, what are the available options for Outlook? Sunny, overcast, and rainy. Sorry. What are the options available? Sunny, overcast, and rainy. Now, for run also, I'm having possible options as yes and no. Now for sunny, how many yes are there? 5. And how many no are there? 1. So like that, I will find out the data for humidity as well as wind. So this is what my frequency table. Now I should find out the probability. That probability will be horizontal as well as vertical. Just like the example explained in previous video. Now, how to find out that horizontal probability? Now, listen. What are your total as 8? So, horizontally, you should say 5 by 8. Okay. Horizontally, what you should say? 5 by 8. Now, how many no's you are having? Total 6 no's. So, horizontally, you should say 1 by 6. Okay. So that is what the probability of sunny when option is yes. Probability of overcast when option is yes. In the same way, you should find out. And like this, we can find out the likelihood for weather, humidity, and wind direction. Okay. By applying the horizontal values and vertical values. Now, what I want to find out whether I can go for run or not when the weather is sunny. Now, when you are trying to apply Bayes theorem, then what will happen? You should find out whether the weather is sunny for yes option, multiply by the probability of yes divided by the probability of sunny. Now, sunny by yes will be given by the value of 5 by 8. What it is? 0.625. Now, what is the probability of your yes option? That is the 8 by 14. So that will be the 0.571 divided by the probability of sunny. That is your horizontal one. 5 plus 1 divided by 8 plus 6. That is what the 6 by 14. That is what the 0.48. Now, all these values, when you are putting in your table, then you will get the probability of whether you can go for run or not in a sunny weather. That is what the 0.834. So like this also, whether I can go for run or not in a sunny weather, you can calculate the P of no by sunny. Okay. Now, that is what depending on this sunny by no into probability of your no, that is the 6 by 14 divided by the probability of sunny, that is what 0.57n. So like that, you can have a conclusion. Okay, so this is what the solution for a given assignment. So whatever may be the type of question given, the same steps you have to follow. The data set will be given to you. Okay, now in that data set, try to find out what are the options. And based on that option, try to find out the probability. So first find out the frequency table. So using frequency table by adding the values horizontally and vertically, you can find out the probability. And using that probability and the Bayes theorem, you can find out the answer to any question. So this is the solution for given assignment. Thank you.